Hey guys, Tom here and welcome back to another vlog on the Racing Joker channel. I did a vlog just a few days ago, but now I am doing another one and I am in a new location. I am back in Iowa and I'm in my new abode and I'm going to start by doing a quick tour. It's not going to be in depth because I don't really want to tell you everything about the place so that you don't try and find me and break in and stuff and such. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour, kind of show you some of the stuff. Because this place really reminds me of the apartments in GTA Online. Because you have the garage, basement type thing, you have the entrance in the front on the ground level, and then you have the elevator and the cool view, and all that stuff. And you'll see what I mean when I give it the tour. Speaking of which, GTA Online is a game I want to play, but on live streams, which I have started recently. I'll talk more about that later in the video. I should also bring my keys so that I don't lock myself out of my own apartment. That would be very me. First, we're gonna start with just the main lobby. There's not really that many people here, but which I guess is good for this video because I won't be disturbing that many people.
First floor. Going up.
So here is the main entrance. It goes out into the outside. That's the University of Iowa Rec Center right there. So pretty cool that it's right next to that. But yeah, this is the lobby. Mailboxes are over there. There's a main office over there. You go up that path to throw away your recycling and garbage and stuff. Got a few Hawkeye, University of Iowa memorabilia here. You can never have too much Jack Nicholson. But yeah, this is the lobby. Pretty nice. The building is actually unfinished. It was, I don't even know if it was being built the last time I was in Iowa, but I know it was definitely under construction after I left. And so this place is very new and very nice. So now that I've covered the ground floor main entrance, let's go to the basement garage type area. That's very cool.
Basement. Going up.
And here we are. I don't know if anyone's down here or not, but just for reference, up there is the kind of garage type door that leads down here from the outside into here. You just come down here and you park. You can have your bike on the wall racks. Here's the Subaru. There are some of the other people that are either living here or just are working here or something. But yep, at some point I'm going to have fun revving this car down here. I'm sure that'll be a neat video just to see how the car sounds. You can see all the concrete dust on the tires. Wow. But yeah, so after going for a drive, maybe I've done like an episode of Motor Madness, what I'll do is I'll come down from up here and then I'll park probably over there, not really over there. I only parked over here for convenience because I was doing groceries today. And I walk up to the elevator and I tell it that I want to leave the basement. And then I wait patiently and it opens.
Going up.
And it tells me where I'm going, even though I already know. So now let's go to the apartment itself and give a basic layout tour. Not a whole lot to it, but it's pretty nice.
Going down.
All right, here we are. It's like a bolt lock, but with like an electric key. Lock that for now, and turn on the light. And immediately we are greeted with this. In here is like the washing machine and dryer for clothes. We got a sink, dishwasher, oven, glass stove, microwave, cupboards that I'm kind of using as pantry and not silverware, but yeah, silverware and like cups and stuff, storage for that. Here is the fridge, very cool. I like having a big fridge rather than a tiny mini fridge. It's already filled with stuff because of the groceries I did today. Here is the kind of living room section of the front main area. Here's the TV I got yesterday. And here's the view. Got a balcony if I wish to people watch. That's the rec center across the street again. We can watch the traffic. There are people over there sunbathing. I won't creep on them, that would be weird. And here is my room. It's kind of messy, but it's definitely neater than the last one. My desk is definitely much, much better. I've never had a mouse pad before in my entire life, along with this computer. So this is, mark that on the calendar, August 9th. By the way, I'm making this video on August 9th for good luck, because 9 is my lucky number, so why not? So yeah, I'm going back to using this for audio, for voice recordings, and just using these as normal headphones, because this is a little bit better because it's a studio microphone. Even though they don't make it anymore, it's still very good. But yeah, there's the mixer, the computer that we all know and love, the Alienware, and a green Solo cup, and all that, and a Hot Wheels BMW M4. And over there is the bathroom, but you guys probably aren't that interested in seeing that, so it's like, wow, he didn't show us his bathroom. I feel so denied. Okay, let's leave, and I'm going to show you guys the roof. One of the other cool, neat perks about being in this apartment is that you get rooftop access. And I'm pretty sure it's the only building in Iowa City where there's such a thing as rooftop access, which is pretty darn cool because there's a lot of space on the roof for parties or making videos or, you know, whatever, just hanging out. It's an area of many possibilities and potential. So, or just an area with a lot of potential instead of trying to sound clever. Okay.
Please.
Okay.
Brag about it.
Okay. So I can say when I give a tour of this place, like what this place is and stuff.
Absolutely.
Then. All right, sure.
That'd be awesome. Thank you.
If I'm correct, this is the only place with rooftop access right now that I know of, anyways, right?
There's a couple really small, you know, like this much area that they call rooftop. But yeah, we're the largest rooftop.
That's what I thought.
Yep.
Well, that was cool. I don't think I'm gonna be able to use all of that, but I ran into a bunch of the owners of the building, so I thought I'd just talk to them about a few different things and learn cool stuff. Excellent. Let's close this. Perfect. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed the little tour. So yeah, if you ever want to make the claim that you stay in probably the coolest apartment in Iowa City, just go to 316 Madison and you can feel like you're in a GTA apartment because this is pretty cool. So yeah, the location is awesome and they did a great job with the space they had to work with. I can tell just living here is going to be so much fun, and no matter how used to it I'll get, some stuff is just probably not going to get old. So yeah, before I sign off, I'm just gonna give you a heads up on some content that you guys can expect on the channel. So, for one, I am going to be uploading a bunch of colony survival videos. I thought I'd give that game a try because it's really cool. It has really good reviews. I had a lot of fun playing it. I recommend it to anyone who enjoys things like SimCity, Minecraft, or you know, anything along those lines, or even turn-based strategy games, but without the turns. And so everything is live. You do actions and you try to maintain like a food supply against a high food usage rate or whatever. So that's fun. I'm considering getting the new Forza Horizon and live streaming it because I have started doing live streams now. I just did a real live stream yesterday, August 8th, in Star Wars The Old Republic. You can go to the Racing Joker Live. You can find it under my channels on the homepage of this channel, where you can watch all archive streams that I'll do. I'll be uploading all full streams onto that channel for anyone who misses them or has to leave in the middle of them or joins them late or anything like that. So that's very cool. Live streaming, Colony Survival, Star Wars The Old Republic, Forza Horizon, and all sorts of other cool stuff. Oh, and also Motor Madness. Motor Madness, which for now, whoa, Jesus, I'm going to be uploading every Monday, but if it does better than that, I might do it twice a week and do it Monday and Friday, so that you can start your week right and end your week right. Week right, week right. But yeah, all right, well, anyways, thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you guys have enjoyed the tour and are looking forward to the stuff that's coming. And if you've got any input whatsoever, or any comments or anything like that, please don't be shy. I don't bite, and even if I could, I can't, because I can't reach you. But yeah, so I am the Racing Joker, signing out of YouTube. Stay crazy, everybody.